This AI-generated ASMR cutting video hit 7.9 million views. Sounds insane, right? Here is the wild part. It took less than 10 minutes to make, and you can do it too. And all you need are 2 completely free AI tools. But there is one golden rule you need to follow if you really want to succeed. I'll share that at the end of this video. By the end, you'll have everything you need to create ASMR content that could hit 100,000 views in your first week. But why should you listen to me? Well, I run a faceless channel called Elevate Mind HQ, and it's racked up over 700 million views across YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, even Facebook. I don't just talk about going viral, I do it every single day. And I'm not just doing this for me. I've helped countless students launch and monetize their own YouTube channels from scratch. Content creation and AI tools, it's my full-time obsession. Here's the brutal truth. You're probably spending hours creating content that gets 47 views while watching AI-generated ASMR videos hit millions of views overnight. It's frustrating, right? You're working harder, they're working smarter. The gap is getting wider. Every day you don't know how to do it. But don't worry, because I'm sharing everything with you in this video. And like other people out there telling you to buy a course or some shit, I give you everything for free. Because I'm not a guru, I'm a guide. In the next few minutes, I'm going to hand you the 2-step system that makes everything very clear and easy to understand and follow. The exact 2 free AI tools with no hidden costs. The step-by-step creation of these videos from scratch. And finally, the golden rule that separates viral from invisible. So the first step is to generate ultra-captivating images that stop the scroll. And step 2 is transforming those images into a dynamic ASMR video, complete with satisfying, addictive audio. Now that you know the exact steps, let's get started and create a video together. Okay, let's start with the first step, creating the image. Head to ChatGPT, go to GPTs, and search for Make ASMR Images and Prompts. Start the chat, then just tell it the object you want to cut and its color. Super simple. If you're not sure what to pick, ask GPT for a list of foods or objects that work great for ASMR cutting. I'll do that now so you can see. I'll just switch back to the main chat and drop in this comment. If you don't like the options, just ask for new ones. Personally, I'm loving the jelly cubes idea, so I'll roll with that. I'll head back to the ASMR Images and Prompts GPT and type in jelly cubes, purple and glossy. Check it out, we've got an awesome prompt ready to go. Now, just copy and paste this into your favorite image generator. I personally love ChatGPT and ImageFX. I'll actually test this prompt on both to see which one delivers better results, giving me more options to choose from. You can totally do the same. These tiny details are exactly what'll help you grab more views in the future. Honestly, I'm impressed with the ImageFX result. So realistic. I'll just download the image and step 1 is done. Step 2 is turning your image into an ASMR video. And guess what? You only need one amazing AI tool, Kling AI. Just sign up and you'll get enough free credits to create up to 8 videos. Head to the video section under the AI generation tab. Click image to video and you're on the right page. First, make sure you are using Kling 2.1. Then, upload the image we created earlier and input the exact prompt I'm sharing for the best results. Don't forget the crucial step. Toggle on Add Sound Effects with video generation to get those perfect ASMR sounds. Lastly, set the duration of the video to 10 seconds and hit Generate. The video is ready. Let's watch it. Honestly, this turned out pretty great for a first try. Let's make another video, but this time we'll use an object instead of food. I'm checking my list, and the soap bar catches my eye. I'll head to the prompt generator, type in soap, and make sure the color is bright red. Just like before, I'll copy the prompt into ImageFX and GPT, download the image I like, upload it to Kling, tweak the prompt, hit generate, and let's see how it turns out. This turned out pretty good. Okay, let's talk about the one rule you need to follow if you really want to crush it in this niche, or any niche to be honest. No fluff, just facts. Before I spill the secret, if this video brings you any value, hit like and subscribe. The #1 golden rule? Consistency. Yeah, I know you've heard it a million times, but listen, this is how I grew my account to 2.7 million followers and made over $380,000. It's not magic, it's showing up. And guess what? Right now is the easiest time ever to start creating content. Stop overthinking, stop waiting. Every day you hesitate is a missed shot. Jump in and start right now. Not later, not tomorrow, right now. Are you ready? Let's do this.